Welcome to our channel. If you want to Credit Karma check credit score, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly managed and you achieve the best results. Step 1. Log into your account using your username and password on the official website or mobile application. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard or main overview section where your key information is displayed. Step 3. Look for the section that displays the report or information you want to view. This may be under Reports, Documents, or Account Overview. Step 4. Click on the specific report or information type you want to access. The system will generate or load the requested information. Step 5. Review the information displayed on screen. Take note of any important details, dates, or figures that are relevant to your needs. Step 6. If available, use any filters or date range options to customize the information displayed. This helps you focus on specific time periods or categories. Step 7. Download or save the report if you need to keep a copy for your records. Most platforms offer PDF or CSV export options. Step 8. Check back regularly for updates to the information, as many reports and scores are updated periodically. Set reminders if you need to monitor changes over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.